Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to the channel. If you saw my 6 days in Spain, what I ate, what I wore, and some sightseeing, you'll know at the end of that video, we were kind of unsure of where we were going next. We could have gone to Paris, we could have gone to Barcelona, Valencia. So leave a comment down below and let me know where you think we went. In this video, you'll see the last part of our adventure. Couple of days here, couple of days there. If you're curious where we went, stay tuned. So we packed up our stuff from San Sebastian and headed south towards a little town called Tarragona on the beach. But I found this bull on the top of this mountain. So funny on our drive down there. I found this hotel called Le Meridian. It was a spa on the beach. Beautiful view of the beach. That was in the
It's on the
lobby.
beach and it's really lovely. This is the bathroom. I'm having a hard time with the lights. Nice big bathroom, shower, little tub there, little mirror, little coffee area, and a gorgeous view of the ocean that you can see from your bed. So cool. And you overlook the pool.
And this is just a non-swimming. First I thought it was a swimming pool.
Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It is a gloomy day. It's very wet and humid, but the beach is the beach. Can't beat it.
We relaxed a little and then took a walk down the boardwalk on the beach. It was quite dreary, but we ended up getting a really beautiful sunset and took a nice little stroll. There was not a lot of people on this beach at all. But we ended up going back to the hotel and had dinner at the restaurant in the hotel called La Terraza del Mar. This was sea bass. It was absolutely delicious, but the best part of the meal was this dessert. It's a Catalan pastry called chucho. I'll leave the spelling of it on the screen. It was so delicious. It had this cream inside, and it was a crispy, sweet, sugar coated pastry with vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, so good. This was our view for breakfast the next morning. It was a gorgeous day. All of that humidity had kind of burnt off in the raininess. This is my breakfast plate. I tried to get a churro since I didn't get one in Madrid, and it was not the best. This is my outfit of the day to go walking around Tarragona. It's helmet length jeans, just a Aritzia t-shirt, Aritzia little white jacket that I've showed you guys before, and an All Saints crossbody bag with Dolce Vita sneakers. I was so comfortable, and it was the perfect outfit for the day.
I què més? Avança'ns una mica, perquè la gent està aquí.
L'olio d'oliva, i fiquem una mica més que no estigui
Mira, ensenya'ls, sí, que ho ve aquí, mireu.
I traurem l'essència, com que està molt...
This is the Roman ruins in Tarragona. Lots happening in this town on a Saturday morning. Okay guys, I know this is really dark, but I just got out of the Finnish sauna. I'm gonna try and take you in there once everybody leaves. But This is such a beautiful, at this hotel that we're staying at, it's a beautiful like water area, and they have an aromatherapy steam room, an ice room, which I've never seen before, and a finished sauna, and then there's different pools and hot tubs and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try and take you in the sauna so you can see it. It's really cool. This is an exercise room. It's so huge. It's got everything you need. Bikes, squat rack, woo. All the things you need to get your workout on.
The next morning, I decided to wear a pair of Massimo Dutti trousers that I got in San Sebastian, the same Blondo knee-high boots I've been wearing, a Skims turtleneck, which was surprisingly comfortable, and the Steve Maisel Zara blazer that I've had for a while.
Hey guys, we are in the car on our way to Altea, a cute little town I found actually through ChatGPT. I was typing in places for expats to retire, and it came up as a chic little cozy beach town. So we are leaving Tarragona. We left there about 2 hours ago. We've driven not down the beach. It's kind of a boring drive actually, but we stopped at a little tienda, a little store that has cafe con leche. My husband's getting gas, and we are headed down. We're about 2 hours out from this cute little, it looks kind of Greek actually on the pictures that we found online. So we're really anxious to get there and see this cute little town, and we will see it from there. Okay, honey, road warrior driver, what's been your favorite part of the trip so far?
Getting flashbanged in Madrid. At the top.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the spa?
I did enjoy the spa.
Did you enjoy the sauna?
I did enjoy the sauna. Did I enjoy the ice room? I did enjoy the ice room. But, what about, honestly, right, I really enjoyed our first couple of days in Madrid, just walking around the old town and the city. That was kind of cool. This is a great way to just see Spain, and we've seen a lot of it.
It's been a nice drive, especially yesterday up from Tarragona when we drove up the coast for a little bit. So that was interesting to see all the different little neighborhoods and like pueblos and stuff. But I like the way I think we've done this trip so far, because it's been so unscheduled and so like untethered to anything specific.
Definitively.
So it's nice to
exploratory.
So it's nice to be able, even though you terrify me the way you drive, but that's okay. And exploring Spain at the seat of our pants. So like, we found this place we're going today, just kind of Googling around, and I found it on ChatGPT yesterday at dinner, and I just asked the chat where would it be a good place to go, like I told you earlier, and it suggested this place of many. So this is what's close enough for us to stop by or drive from Tarragona. And we have to be back in Madrid to fly home in a couple of days. So we'll be 2 nights here, and then we have to drive back to Madrid, drop the car, and then we fly home. So this is working out really well. So we're very excited about this next town that we're going to. And Husby decided that he would forego going to the actual Miami Dolphins game so we could take this opportunity to explore Spain.
Oh no, I did it to spend quality time with you. Was the only reason.
So we didn't go to Paris. We decided to explore Spain instead, which was really nice and very productive, I feel. We've learned a lot about just the different areas and where we do want to be and where we don't want to be from what we've seen so far. So it's been a nice initial trip so far. So, but we will see you from Altea. Say peace out. Okay, we made it to Altea, cute little place called La Serena. Little tiny water closet. Nice little coffee area, little mini bar, not included as per usual. Really cute little hotel though. Husby is frantically putting on the dolphin game. Cute little room with a spa here. This is the vanity. A little shower. I don't know how to get the light on in there. But this is what it looks like outside. Really a cute little town, but the roads are insanely narrow. Parking and getting here was quite the trick, but it does have AC, so we're happy about that because our last room did not have AC and it got really, really warm, which was interesting. It's unseasonably warm here in Spain. It's about 6 degrees above the average from what I've read. So we are getting some really, really nice weather, but not getting the temperate that we were kind of hoping for. But cute place. And we're going to watch some football, go to the supermercado, and then take a little tour around town. They're explaining the game as they air it on TV. It's wild. They just showed what a pass was. After the game, we went walking around for dinner and found this cute little square with this church. And it's a place called Little Italy is the restaurant we ate at and had a delicious pepperoni pizza. The pepperoni was super salty, but it was very good. And of course, I needed a cappuccino to top off my dinner. After dinner, we took a walk around and took some good pictures of the city. The city lights were so pretty. Good morning. We woke up in Altea today. This is a cute little town. We walked around last night, got some pizza in an area called Little Italy, and came back here and went to bed at a decent hour finally. I think I was asleep before midnight, which around on this trip has not been a normal occasion. So, but I did get to talk to my kids last night. I FaceTimed them, and it was my dad's birthday. So I FaceTimed my parents, and that was nice to see some friendly faces. And today we slept hard. You can see this messy bed, and I'm finally getting some time to put my eye patches on. We have been go in the mornings, up and out really quickly. So today I'm trying to be a little bit slow because my Oura ring is telling me my body temperature is elevated and has been for a couple of days. So I don't want to go home sick. So trying to get some good rest. And so I'm going to head down unmade, as you can see, for breakfast because we only have another maybe half an hour. I think it's 9:30 now, and they close their breakfast at like 10 or 10:15. Very strange hours at this particular hotel. So I'm going to go down and eat and then get dressed, and then we are headed to explore the town. So I'll take you with me. Breakfast of the day, cafe con leche, of course, and a little orange juice, a destroyed piece of delicious grain bread, a chocolate croissant, some turkey and cheese, and some nuts. I thought that was perfect. It wasn't too much, but it was enough to get me through. We will definitely be getting a workout today. Lots of hills here in Altea. I almost forgot to tell you my outfit of the day. It is the Aritzia dual pants, the Aritzia Shelly sweater that I've actually found online, so I'll leave it linked down below for you. And I have a tank top underneath because it did get quite warm, and Dolce Vita sneakers.
that time to eat again. And we stopped at this cute little cafe on the beach outside. It was gorgeous. It was a beautiful sunny day. I had a cafe con leche and this pastry that I cannot remember the name of, but it was very good. It was almost like a donut, but it was so delicious and it was so good dipped in the coffee. After a long day walking around, we rested and then went out again for Italian, some meatballs, and then this delicious chocolate cake for dessert. It was divine. We packed up to leave Altea. This is my travel outfit. These are Aritzia effortless pants and a Quince sweater. I will leave everything that I've referenced linked down below and the Dolce Vita sneakers. And then we headed downstairs for our last breakfast at this hotel. It was a gorgeous day, beautiful view. Orange juice, cafe con leche, same deal. I'm kind of a creature of habit. And we took one last picture on the balcony of our hotel.
Last total of the trip. Marriott Convention. It's a little musty smelling, but it'll do the job. Got two little twin beds. Got a place to hang out, lay our heads, get a shower, catch our flight home in the morning.
This Christmas tree was in the lobby of the Marriott Convention Center that was close to the airport, and so was with this amazing piece of art. It was the wildest looking car. We couldn't touch it or get anywhere close to it, but I thought it was the neatest piece of art. Then there was I think it was called a Champs or a Champions restaurant inside. Sorry, my burger is destroyed, but that used to be a turkey burger with avocado. After an incredibly stressful trip to the airport to drop off our rental car, we made our flight, and it was an uneventful flight. And I slept for a couple hours and was just really looking forward to finally getting home.
Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the end, leave a little Spain flag emoji in the comments. Let me know you saw all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed our little tour of Tarragona and Altea, and of course back to Madrid to come home. We landed back in Orlando, had a nice Uber ride home, a lovely sunset coming over the bay, and it was just the perfect ending to a wonderful trip. Stay tuned, Vlogmas is coming. I'm so excited. In my next video though, we are going to talk about 5 things that I wish I'd quit sooner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Leave that Spain flag emoji in the comments. Let me know you saw all the way to the end. Like this video if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe to the channel, it really helps me a lot. Share with a family member if you think they'll enjoy it. And I'll see you in my next video.